Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to give you an assignment which is based on using strings in Java. As part of this assignment, you need to write a Java program to reverse a string. So first, you need to create a string using the string class. You just need to create a string using the string class. And after that, you need to write the programming logic to reverse that particular string and print in the output. That's what you need to do as part of this assignment, okay? So now you can pause this video and start writing this Java program for solving this assignment. Hoping that you have written this Java program, now you can resume this video so that you can see the solution that I'm going to provide. Okay, so that you can cross check your Java program with mine so that if both are same, you're good to go. Fine. For that, I'll switch to this Eclipse ID. Here I'm going to create a new class. I'll just name this class as DemoB or some random name you can give with main method. And inside this, first I'm going to create a string using the string class. Okay, like this I'm going to create a string. I'm just giving my name. That's okay. You can give anything. Fine. After that, I need to write the logic for reversing this particular string. For that, what I will do is, I'll again say string, okay, rev or reverse, whatever, reverse str, you can give any name, okay, or I'll just give rev is equal to, I'll just provide some empty string here. You'll understand what I'm trying to do here, okay. You have to write like this. Now, use the for loop. For, I need to get the first one. I want to concatenate this I with this empty string. Okay, the last one should come first, right? The last letter of this particular, for reversing this particular string, I need to get the last letter into the first position. This is an empty string. For this empty string, I want to concatenate this I. How to do that? For that, I'll write int I is equal to, I need to get the index of this I. What is the index of this I? The size of the string minus 1 is nothing but the index of this I. How to get the size of the string? Str dot length method minus 1 will get the index of this I, the last okay character of the string. Otherwise, okay, put a semicolon and say I till where I need to iterate till I get to this, A. The index of this A is what? 0. I greater than or equal to 0. I greater than or equal to 0. Then semicolon I minus minus. I'll write logic like this, okay? I'll start with this index I and I'll go till the index A. Okay, so for that, index A will generally have 0. So I greater than or equal to 0. I minus 1. Every iteration, the value of the I will be decremented by 1. Now, what I'm going to do here is, I'll simply write rev is equal to rev plus reverse plus, short form for reverse, right? Rev. Okay, reverse plus. I want to get this I. Okay, I want to get this I. How to get the I? Str dot. Okay, how to get this I? Str dot charAt method I'll use of the index I. Okay, I stands for index here. Okay, in short form. Or you can give any other variable also, that's fine. So charAt of I, I'll give. So in the initial iteration, it will be like this 0, 1, 2. Okay, otherwise, size of this particular thing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 minus 1. 12 minus 1 is what? 11. 11. Index 11. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Index 11. CharAt of index 11. Put a semicolon here. What will come? The I will come. I will be concatenated with this. I will be attached with this empty string. I will be attached with this empty string. And in the next iteration, the value of I will become from 11 to 10 it will become. In 10th index, we have R. That R will be concatenated with the I. IR it will become. IR, reverse way, you see. And in the next iteration, I will become 9. So this will come. to I and R, O will be attached here, and it will keep on continuing until the first letter of the string. That is, when the index is 0 till that. So after all the iterations of this for loop are completed, the reversed string text will be stored in the REV. Now I just need to print it out. Simple. System.out.println, system.out.println REV. Now run this code and see that the reversed string will be printed. While run this code, you see that reversed string will get printed. You see, first I is there, yes. R next, OO next, yes. After that T, yes. OM, space, space, NURA. You see, the string text got reversed. So this is how we need to write the Java program for reversing a string. So if you also have written the program in the same way or similar way, when you're getting this kind of output, then you're good to go. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye-bye.